Gotta get one more good one in. Gotta get one more good one in. Come here. Come on. Good job. Good job. What are you doing?
I was hoping to videotape our son crawling, but he's not cooperating.
Come here. Come on. Are you videotaping?
Mhm.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yay.
There we go. Good job.
You look like a fish out of water sometimes.
You can do it, monster.
Ooh, remote control.
He's gonna be under the couch in a second.
Ooh, watch your head. Watch the bump, Baker.
Yep, there he is.
Yay! You got all the way over here from your blanket. Do little dance, shake your little butt. Yay! He says, I don't need to walk, crawl, Mom. I'm gonna learn how to walk. Whoa!
Good job, mister.